Hello everyone, this is Amir Ali Delavari, solution engineer here at Screen, and today I want to talk about other buttons in the compute section. So when you click on compute, here we already discussed about density reference thickness and the effect that it has on the size of the volcanoes. The smaller it is, the smaller the structure becomes. Random seed, so when you create a screen, it spreads some seeds into your envelope and it connects those seeds together. So by changing that, you cannot have any control on your structure. So you cannot say, if I change the random seed, I'm gonna get bigger holes or smaller holes. No, they will not change that much. It just changes the way that your random seeds are spread to your through your project. So usually try to give it at one. It doesn't really matter. Maximum execution time is that if your calculation is very, very heavy, and if it is taking more than this amount of time, it will execute it and cancel it automatically. Part name is obvious. You can put whatever part name that you want to. High quality solid and labyrinth usually use it for the last structure that you want to do when you optimize your structure and you want to take an output from it, then you can go for high quality solid labyrinth. And labyrinth is usually for the fluidic applications and heat exchangers. HPC, high power compute, only few of our license include this functionality. It just makes your calculation much faster. For the output, we have single surface, solid surface, half space, and labyrinth. So single surface, as I already mentioned, is only the surface without any thickness. Why is that there and why it can be useful when you have no idea of how your shape of the structure will look like, and it's your first or second run? You can go with single surface without any thickness to just have an idea and set the correct DRT and the density for your structure. But whenever you want to go to step further, try to change it to solid surface. Single surface obviously is being generated much faster than the solid surface. Half spaces and labyrinth, they are usually used for the heat exchangers, and labyrinth creates some channels through your structure to make the fluid flow better. Printing settings, Z thickness factor, you can usually take it by one. That's the default number, and that's fine. In some rare cases, you can change it, but one is usually optimum. Fix overhangs. Yes, if you think that you have overhangs, you can use this function too, and reduce the mesh. If your mesh is very heavy, you have this option to reduce it by percentage. See you in the next lesson.